Okay, let's start.
Okay. I'm still stuck on this spam assassin thing. So yesterday after the meeting, I just decided to clear everything related to spam assassin because I had done a lot of modifications. It even stopped running, and I just had to remove the spam assassin and reinstall again. So that is what I did yesterday. Today, I continued debugging on it, and one of the ways was first send an email directly without going through Postfix to check if actually the problem is spam assassin or there is no communication between the spam assassin and Postfix. So, for example, if I send such an email which goes directly to spam assassin without requiring the filtering, I can see that I have these headers being listed. But now when I send an email that needs to go through Postfix, then the filtering is not handed over, like filtering doesn't take place. So I even tried to use DeepSeek also because I'm mixing DeepSeek and at least with ChatGPT. And I just saw that the logs confirm that the emails are bypassing spam assassin completely. And they are going straight from Postfix to Dovecot. So the suggestions here that I'm supposed to try out, but I haven't done it yet because I've been doing all my debugging in the morning with ChatGPT. And I realized that ChatGPT now started the circles, the normal circles, like change this to this, like my main.cf file. Initially, just a minute. So this is the filtering that is supposed to take place from the postfix. So I did the code this way, and ChatGPT said that this is wrong. Initially, that's above here. Yeah, you can see this. It was recommending that I replace this with just one line instead of like having 2 lines. So when I did that and reran and shared the logs, then it said, you need to take the code back. So it's discovered that it now started taking me to circles. So between that 2 lines and a single line. So I decided to try out again DeepSeek. And I shared the logs that I'm getting by first testing directly to Spam Assassin. Then later sending an email from my Proton and checking the logs. And just a minute. When I try to send an email, for example, from ProtonMail, let me just reply this and send. So as I'm sending, I'm monitoring the logs in real time here. It's going to take a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds. Yeah. So I get this warning like there's no such directory. So when I share this with DeepSeek, DeepSeek is now suggesting that the logs confirm that spam assassin is completely being bypassed. So I need to remodify now the main.cf and the master.cf. So I need to do that, but I also have to be careful because from the past experiences that AI tells you to randomly modify your postfix files, then all of a sudden you realize that your system stops completely. You can't receive, you can't send. So I don't know. I want to try that out and maybe do it carefully and see the results that I'm going to get. But honestly, this has taken a lot of time, and it's just frustrating. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe of, if it doesn't work out today, I should just try out the other one. The R spamd and see if I can get results.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you recheck again the spam assassin documentation? Because this seemed to not be.
Okay, I haven't checked the documentation again. Docs again. I haven't checked the docs
Because
yet.
if you check the documentation, get start. Maybe there. Or even did you try to check a video on YouTube about installing spam assassin? Because you are just focusing on ChatGPT, Gypsies, and so on. Maybe they don't have the entire step-by-step.
Yes, I've tried checking videos like was the day before yesterday. I tried checking the YouTube videos on how to install them. I didn't find a right video that is doing our approach, which is postfix. Initially, also, I've discovered that when you start asking ChatGPT, it assumes that SpamAssassin uses port 8891, which is a default port for OpenDKIM. So today, I just made sure that I tell the AI that the port 8891 is already being used by OpenDKIM. So if they have to instruct the SpamAssassin use a port, then it should use a different port. So it's using a different port, which is 793. Then everything is running. So I don't know, but I didn't initially. I didn't come across a section where it's saying that the SpamAssassin is working, but it is being bypassed by postfix. Maybe I should now rely on that and find a way to make sure that instead of bypassing, it should be called, to a way to prevent bypassing SpamAssassin.
Okay. Let's switch on this documentation and try to check it together. Let's take maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes to check it together. Okay. Let's say we are here in this documentation. We are fully newbie and we want to install this. Okay. Can you please click on home?
Home?
Yes.
Okay.
We are newbie. We are just here in this documentation. And we want to. Okay. Can you read the welcome?
The welcome is, okay, welcome to the homepage for the open source Apache SpamAssassin project. Apache SpamAssassin is the #1 open source anti-spam platform, giving system administrators a filter to classify email and block spam. In brackets, unsolicited bulk email. It uses a robust scoring framework and plugins to integrate a wide range of advanced heuristic and statistical analysis tests on email headers and body text, including text analysis, Bayesian filtering, DNS block lists, and collaborative filtering databases. Apache SpamAssassin is a project of Apache Software Foundation. So click here to get started using SpamAssassin.
Okay, that's good. Click here. Try to click there. That's very good. Let's see what they will show us. Okay, let's check this page. Start using. I want to start using SpamAssassin. SpamAssassin run on server and filter spam before it reach your mailbox. It has been used by nearly every mail delivery system. Install it yourself today. I run the mail server. Okay. Use via ProtonMail. Using ProtonMail with SpamAssassin. Okay. Make use of the anti-spam project, DNS block list, using DDCC, using Razor, and using Pizzo. Integrated in Meta, using site-wide SpamAssassin with QMail scanner, spam folder with ProtonMail. I have an account on a server. Okay, so it seems like here there is a lot of use case.
Yeah.
And we need to choose the use case that best match with our case.
Yeah. So
Where is our case there?
I think it should be this one.
Exactly. Did you use that one?
Not yet.
Oh, you see, documentation is very important because ChatGPT, they will not have time to read this. So
Yeah.
I think that is where you need to click now. Okay, integrated in MTA. Tag, integrated in SendMail. Scroll down. Our case is integrated to Postfix.
Postfixes.
Okay, for Postfix, what is our version of Postfix? Can you check?
Let me kill this. I had terminals.
Because sometimes when AI is not giving you good answer, we need to come back, start with our brand. As before, when AI was not existed,
Yes.
use our brand, we go step by step.
Is it postfix dash v?
Yes, I think. No.
Okay.
Type man postfix.
Okay, man postfix.
Yes. Okay, where is the help there? Version.
Stop about flash. Set permissions.
V. You have V there.
Is there a V somewhere? Oh,
Let's
here.
start. Yes. No, this is about verb.
No.
No, scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see the version.
Okay. The end, right?
No, you have some place there.
Let me.
I don't know. Maybe it is the beginning. Normally, we see the version here. This is all people who are contributed. Or maybe in the future, your name will be here.
Yes, I hope so.
Version is here. What? Okay, files. Pure to postfix version.
Okay, yes.
But this will not give us the version. I don't know, but we need to check it. Can you? Okay, if you want.
How to postfix version. Okay. So we try the first one.
Okay. Quit. Just tap Q.
Okay. Didn't even copy. mail version.
Uh,
Is it what you want?
you asked to ChatGPT how to postfix version, how to
Oh.
check postfix version. Is it the same?
Okay. Sorry. How to check postfix version. And
Okay, it's giving the same. But the last one, why it is not working? Yes.
this one, right?
Yes.
I don't know what I typed.
Error.
Error. Maybe this.
Okay.
3 something.
Okay.
0.9.
Let's continue with the document. Okay, we have this version, Krita, and any other software listed above can be used. Another way to integrate Postfix and SpamAssassin is to use SpamD. See integrate SpamAssassin. This method support after queue filtering only and is not quite as robust or nearly as efficient. Okay. Integrate postfix via SpamAssassin D is more robust. Integrate postfix with Amavis is more complicated. So, you see which one we will choose here?
I think we should go to the one with which is efficient and okay, it's more of us, but the problem is that it's also a more complex one. Okay. Another way to integrate postfix and SpamAssassin is use SpamD. Yeah, I think this is what I've been trying to use, the SpamD method. After queue filtering only, and it's not quite as robust as nearly as efficient, so it's not efficient. So I don't know, maybe we should go with the third one. With the SpamD.
No, we have with the
spam
integrated SpamD in postfix, right?
Yes, integrate.
The third one or the second one?
Okay, the third one is we integrate postfix via SpamD, but I can see it's all.
It's not the same. The first one, it is after queue. It's like you receive email first, and you filter after the queue. But the queue is when we receive email via postfix, we will put them inside queue, and then we distribute it to the end user who will receive it. So the the SpamAssassin, we filter it before put inside the queue. And you have the second one who will put that after the queue.
Okay.
Because all those systems about email, they have queue. So the third one is before the queue, before put inside the queue to forward to the end user, to user that will receive it. So which one we can try? The third
maybe we use the third one, which is more robust and efficient solution.
Okay, let's click on it. Yes, just click there. Okay, integrated SpamAssassin into postfix using SpamD. This is SpamD. The first one was SpamD. Can we go back again, please?
The first one was also SpamD. This one is also SpamD. But I think maybe.
No. Wait, see. The second one is SpamD.
Oh, SpamD in postfix.
You see, the third one is SpamD. Spam D.
Oh, spam.
You see, this is only spam D. Try to click on the second one, see what we have. You see, here it is spam D. With,
Yeah, spam
that
D, yeah.
at the end. If you go back, you click on the third one that we want to use. Click on the third one. Yes, this is spam D.
Yeah, this is spam, yeah.
Okay. And this is the setup. Okay. Let's try the way. Let's try the hard way to secure our mail system. Not as convenient as using spamd and spamc in the approach mentioned in the postfix filter. Okay, here the first to begin. First of all, make sure your postfix server is healthy. The thing we will do are somewhat confusing in the simple word of postfix. Okay, begin by editing. You see the file that you will edit. Can you take
Yes.
picture of that file and make the cut? Let's see what you have inside there.
Okay, I'll just complete it. Let me first clear the space. CF.
Yes. Okay.
That's what I
Scroll
have.
up. Go now in documentation. What is the next step? Documentation. Okay. Edit. We are having this. When
The-
there's,
Yes, innet.
do
And
we have all this?
yes, I have some of them.
Make sure you have all this block.
So content filter is left blank. But what I have is that content filter is, I have mentioned postfix here.
Where is the block? Where is that block? That is the one. Okay. Everything is the same.
No, it's not the same.
I mean that everything should be the same. Scroll up, scroll up. Now after that, you see you have spam TNS SP, the last line.
This one?
No, the last, yes. The last line.
Okay.
Yes. Do you have that line?
Spam. No. I don't think I have that line, to be honest. Spam DNS. There's nothing like spam. Everything that I have is SMTP.
No, scroll up, scroll up. You have the scroll up.
Up?
What, scroll up? Yes. Go again in the documentation. You have this block at the beginning, so everything should be under that block. The local host they are using port. Check the port that they are using.
My networks. Do I have that? Surely, I don't think I have that.
It means that you need to add this is the configuration.
Yes. I think the approach that I have here is for the first one. See
Okay.
the first
Okay,
one is
yes, okay. Let's try and let's the second one.
second one, yeah.
Yes, yes, click on that second one and let's see what do you have. Where is the beginning? No, scroll up, scroll up. Let's go step by step because this kind of documentation is not like common documentation. Okay. Okay, to integrate SpamAssassin in Postfix, you will need to pipe incoming email through a script program that pass the email to SpamAssassin. because this documentation, they have old mentality. It means that their documentation, they will just focusing on the word, on the text that they are giving you. They will not format, they will not have a good format about the documentation. So that's why this kind of documentation, you need to read everything. Next step is for forwarding, and then either choose to send it or discard it. You may wish to discard it. For example, if SpamAssassin report a very high spam score, below are some examples of how to do this using your own script to feed email to SpamAssassin. I think this is the main problem. Do you have that script?
No.
Because you need to have a script that will fit. I think this is the main problem that you have.
Yeah.
Aside from the method down below, you can look into example folder include with SpamAssassin located, for example, at you see spam this on Debian installed by default. For other option like ProtonMail, data information on setting mail filtering, upon which the example can be found in the Postfix filter README documentation. Bash script to rewrite spam down method. This is a simple method to integrate spam assassin and so on. Create a bash script to receive email from Postfix and pipe it to spam assassin for rewriting, then forward. So you have this script, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, this is the script that we need to copy. This is, of course, assume you are using the spamg or spamc implemented of SpamAssassin to improve performance. Spamc is the command you will want to invoke to check an email down filtering. Do you have spamc, that command?
The only thing that I have is this one here. Control filtering, pointing to.
No, you need
Oh,
first. No. You need first the script. The first step is to have the script.
I don't have the script.
This you see, the script is just 2 lines. You see the script there?
Yes.
Yes. No, all the rest are comment. You see that is only the script there?
Yeah.
Can we scroll up?
Up?
Yes, because the script will start here. But no, that will start with the shebang, right?
Yeah.
No, not there. Script start with shebang. Up with /bin bash. Yes, I think script will start there. Scroll down. So you need first, in the first step, check if, okay. Of course, this of course assume you are using spamc. Can you check if you have spamg and spamc? Check if you have both. Okay, try to run which spam. Check spamc. Okay, spamc is there. So what you need to do now is to have that script that we will patch or your email and send that to go again in documentation. I think you need to create that script. And then the script we pipe. You can create a bash try to scroll up what?
Up? Okay.
What? Okay. Try to scroll up. Go in US share doc.
US.
The path. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Do we have that path? They are saying this path is by default on Debian. Try to check if you have that path here. Your SpamAssassin is installed in which file? In which directory?
Um.
Can you show your terminal? I think with spamg we can locate. Show your terminal. Okay, it is in no. The other one is in bin. The other one is in sbin. Okay, can you paste that path that you have? Yes.
Let me see if you can go here.
Okay,
Yeah.
try to make ls-lrr.
Okay.
RT. Okay, good. Here, can we check the documentation? The next step is in example, I believe so.
Next.
Yes, example. Try to see what we have inside example folder.
Do we have examples really?
Yeah, yes, we have example.
Okay.
Try to make ls
Okay.
ls-lrt. Okay, type example. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, yes, we have that script there. Try to make filter SSH. I believe that is the script. Try to make cut. Let's make cut. Example. No. Example. You are
sorry.
no space. What's going on? Good. Space. Yes. Example. Filter. Yes. Okay. Let's see what we have in the script. Okay. I think this is the script. The script is already there.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because this is in example, this is not running. So what you need to do is to move this script inside the right folder.
Okay.
Okay. For use with Postfix machine, this. Okay, how you use this? Not modify the file location. Okay, exactly. Emmanuel, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
You can contribute. It's not that you are just there like someone who is watching on TV. And moreover, you have a lot of experience with script, so you can contribute here. They are saying that modify the file location to match your particular server and installation of SpamAssassin. So the only thing that we need to do now is to find the right location where we will put this script now. That is our question. You ask this to ChatGPT, most of the time ChatGPT cannot say, hey, I don't know.
Yeah. They'll give you any answer.
Yes. So the thing that you need to do now, if we locate where we will put this script. Okay, go again in documentation. Maybe
I saw
we can
something like readme.
wait. Scroll down a bit. Yes, go well, yes. Wait on the script. Modified by Jeremy Morton. This script should probably live at. Okay, you see Jeremy give you the path where you will put the script.
This one?
Yes, and put the correct right. You see?
Okay.
I think this is where Jeremy have made the modification, because the one that we have on the system don't have this line. Can you check the terminal again? You see, inside this terminal, we don't have that part. I think that's why Jeremy have add.
Okay.
Yes. So make a copy of this script and put that in that directory and put it in that directory. Just make a copy, just make CP.
Sorry.
CP.
CP
Hyphen RT.
RT.
RT. P. Yes, space. You tap example.
Example.
Yes, tap filter. And then you paste the path that Jeremy showed you.
Where's copy? And
Just copy. No, just copy.
this one?
No. The path only. No, not the name of the file at the end. Because if you that can go and delete if another file is already there. Yes, just copy that. Because we don't know it, we check that on later. Maybe yes, it's there. Okay, tap enter. Cannot create regular file. Okay, you can put sudo. You can make the go up command. Go up, go down.
Okay, let me just
No,
clear.
why are you okay? Just make the go down, yes. Start with sudo.
Okay.
Enter. Okay, try to make ls hyphen lrt. No.
Examples?
Make the command, yes, no, space, slash, yes.
SRB.
Yes. Let's see what we have there. A lot of file. A lot of file.
A lot.
Okay. But try to make ls and
Okay,
copy.
ls.
Yes. Yes, hyphen lrt, and copy the path that you have inside the documentation. Yes, and check. Yes, no. The entire one with the file, because we are trying to check if that file is already there.
Okay.
Tap enter.
Okay.
Make the command go up.
Up.
Yes, and remove the name of the end file. And you can just leave filter. Yes, you can remove spam. Yes.
Okay, I remove.
No, remove spam at the beginning. We just want to verify the file that we copy now. This remove spam at the beginning. Yes, okay. The name of file was spam.ssh, something like that. It was filter.sh. Yes.
.sh.
Yes. Okay, we have this. Check again in documentation. First rename the file to this one.
To spam filter?
Yes.
Sorry. So to rename is the move command?
Yes, move.
So sudo
Yes.
mv. I don't remember the command. So sudo mv usr bin filter.
You have the auto completion that you can use.
I tried it first.
Okay.
Then space. Or should I?
You need to put the entire path, because if you do this will put it here.
Okay.
Yes.
/ usr bin. Like that, right?
Oh yes. Okay, now you can make the ls. You can make the comeback command. Again, you can make it again. Yes, tap now enter. Okay. Go in the documentation now and check the correct route right that you need to give. It is just tap chmod 777. Just copy that command. No, what? First copy the first one. Ch change, yes. Copy that. Yes, and paste. Is there. And then you are forgetting space. Just put the name of the file with the root path. Copy
With
it.
the space?
Yes, you have it up there. Yes, that is the file. Yes, just copy it.
Search that. Then
It is okay. Tap enter and do the same thing for the. You need to put sudo.
okay. Then
You have another command, yes, to change the
which is chmod ownership. So let's use sorry.
Yes, just tap enter.
Yes.
Now you can go in documentation and check. Okay, can you scroll down? Now, what is the second step? Okay, that was the second step. You see, ensure the newly created us/bin has correct permission and is owned by root. You see the second one?
Yes, this one.
Yes. Now the third step is to modify and put this. Go in the third step.
Third step is modify the master.cf.
Yes, try to modify it. Okay, check what we need to add there.
So I should include the
You have not included this?
inet spam content filter, then add the following.
First, change the first spam SMTP line. The first SMTP line. Go and check the first SMTP line.
This
The
one.
first one, yes. Okay, can you check in the documentation what you have? Okay, that is the line that we need to copy.
I think they have added this.
Yes, you add it. After
So I don't know, do I modify or I just create this separately? Because I'm sure these other parts also have their own roles to play. Because you can see this has been repeated in several sections.
no, it is not the same.
Oh, okay, it's not the same. So
You need to create a specific. They say you modify the first line.
let me just modify it. Let me modify it. So I copy this.
To modify a file, you first make a backup. First make a copy, a backup of your file, your existing file. Exit from the file. Just tap exit from the file and make a copy. Maybe copy RP. No, you don't need to make that. You just make sudo cp
sudo cp
hyphen RP. If you don't do that, you will not copy the correct right.
hyphen.
Yes, hyphen RP to copy everything. Yes, you copy now the file. Yes. You make space. I don't know where you want to keep your backup. Paste again. Paste it again.
Another space.
Yes, paste.
You
Just
see the
paste.
paste.
Yes, paste. Just paste. This file you will make a dot backup at the end. Yes, dot backup. You can put the time of the backup. Yes, dot again. What's the date of today?
Today is
9,
Yes, you can.
9 August.
so I can maybe use 9 hyphens. I don't know if that's 9.
Yes, everyone you have. Yes, you
5.
can put dot and then you put time if you want. This will help you to remember.
That 13 50.
Yes, if you want. Yes, put that. Tap internal, and then you can now modify it on your file. You can make sudo. You can make the command come back. Yes, now you can modify it. This is the basic. This is the reflex. Anytime that you are modifying a file, because if this file you modify it and it's not working well, this will make your postfix stop not working. It means that when your email that was sent the email will not work anymore.
Okay, so I'll just copy this line and replace that.
Yes, let's see.
Then add the following at the end.
Then add the following equal to a newly created spam filter at the end. Okay.
Thing at the end should be down here, right?
At the end of folder, or I don't know, the end of what?
This script, this like block.
Okay.
Because now everything is under.
Okay. But they are saying at the end of what? Try to go at the end of file or. This is at the end of file.
Spam filter script. Okay.
Assume you have spam. Yes, this is okay. This is at the end of I think of the file.
The end of the first file I'm editing now, or the script that we created?
No, the end of this file, the same file.
Okay. I had this. So this
Yes.
is my.
Just press there. The end. Make space there. You see,
Uh,
it seems to be the same.
Yeah.
Can you make space?
Above.
No space. You see the spam filter. Go on the spam
Yes.
filter keyword.
Yeah.
Yes, go again. Yes, tap enter. Tap enter. Okay. Can you scroll down? Scroll down. I think we can leave it like this. I don't know because okay, what this is spam filter. The one that you have had was only spammed on Unix. It's not a spam filter. You were using SendMail. Here they are pointing to spam filter. It is not the same thing.
Yeah, it's not the same thing. Yes.
It is two pipe, but you did not have the spam filter here. You see, but now you are piping everything inside the script. I don't know, maybe you will remove the other pipe, but anyway, this will pipe and send them to all these three pipe. Okay, go in the documentation. This setup assume you have spamd user for the script to be run as. If you wish to run as a different user, modify the user argument above. Restart Postfix. If you want, okay. Do you have a user spamd? This setup assume you have a spamd user for the script to be run. You can
I
save the
think I
file.
have it. Let me save the file first.
Yes.
There's a way of listing the users. There is a command to list all the users. I've used it before. Okay, how do I check all the users? Oh yeah, I think it's this one. Spamd email. Yeah, it's here.
Okay. Now the next step is what? The next step, the fourth step.
Restart the Postfix service.
Okay, restart. Now Postfix should be sending. You know how to restart it.
Yes. System CTL. I think it's
Restart.
running.
Check the status. Okay, 30 seconds ago. Okay, go in documentation. The sender Postfix should be do what? Should be now Postfix should be sending every incoming email through the spam filter script, which means it's going through SpamAssassin with the email header and maybe the rest of the email if it is spam being rewriting before being delivered to the target mailbox. Optionally, you may wish to tweak SpamAssassin configuration to cause it to rewrite the email in a more useful way. Only rewrite spam mail subject, but not the word email, and a ham header to give data info on even non-spam, non-spam, etc. So this is the way to tweak the spam assassin. So we will not tweak it now. Now how we will test it?
Okay. Maybe I should send an email.
What this documentation, they don't have a way to test. Can you scroll down? See, after this, is there a way to test? Okay, this is the, so scroll down. This is the advanced. Okay, this is the advanced. Old alternative, scroll down. This is old alternative, scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down. So in any case, old alternative, original, scroll down. Okay, can you scroll up again now? Okay, let's scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, good, good. Advanced bash script to discard likely spam method. Okay, you can do this down later. This documentation is very important. What we are trying to do here is to see how we will test it,
Okay.
because Postfix should be now sending every incoming email through the spam filter, which means it's going through SpamAssassin. Can you click on that SpamAssassin?
Yeah, first one.
Yes. Try to click that. It maybe it will direct.
It takes us back to.
Yes. Can you come back? Just come back. Okay. How will we test it? Can you scroll down? Okay. Try to send email and see. And check the.
Okay. Let me send from here maybe. Send. Send. There's no email arriving. Maybe I should, let me try sending from the terminal. From the server's terminal. See if anything is going to arrive. Have some commands here. It's technology. Work. Admin. Technology. Okay, strong. Technology how to work. This one arrived immediately.
Okay.
Nothing. I don't think those headers have been mentioned here.
Wait. Wait. Okay, with the email header and maybe the rest of the email being right before deliver. Provide the subject. Can you check this configuration file, the optional one? HTML spam.
This one.
Yes.
They just cut, right?
Yes. Try to cut it. Okay. Which is, can we scroll up?
Up or down?
Yes. You cut it. Okay. Normally
it.
it's empty.
All these are just comments
Yes, this file is
to the end. Yeah.
only the end. Can you check again the conf in the optional? Okay, they are saying score. Okay, this is where you check the score. Okay, the first one. Rewrite the subject of suspected spam email. Rewrite the header. That is the command to write the header. Just add an X spam report header to suspected. I think SpamAssassin will not trigger if you don't suspect anything.
Okay.
Because you have just sent email.
Well, let me see the one that was ChatGPT was
No, wait.
suggesting.
At first, this score.
Okay.
Copy this. Yes. Ensure that the below is inside and then restart assassin. We did not restart the assassin. So copy this. Maybe just put at the end. Just copy this.
Mm-hmm.
I think we already have all this set up. We just need to uncomment them. Go inside the documentation and the first one, the rewrite. Go inside it on the terminal. Yes, terminal. The rewrite. Where is the rewrite?
Rewrite within this file that I printed.
Yes, the rewrite will be somewhere in some place there. And what you need to do is to uncomment every part of them. You can open it with Nano.
Okay.
What you need to do first is to make a backup, as we did for the other one.
Okay. So it was.
You just copy a file to and save it. So that you are copying file.
It was. What was?
You can put RP. It's not really necessary, but that's just in case.
To etc.
But sometimes the backup file conflicting.
Mail. Assassin. Account. Dot backup. Dot date. Let me put the date 9/8/2025. Time is actually not very necessary, but 14. 08. Maybe I need sudo. Let's see if it works. Then I need to modify this.
Yes. Okay. Go in the documentation. I think you need to copy any line and locate it. The right one.
Rewrite the subject of spam email.
Yes, you know how to locate it in Nano.
I think it's Control W or Alt W.
It's not there.
And then
We have it down there.
yeah,
Yes.
right.
Yes, rewrite the subject. That is what we need. I think you need to include it there. Yeah, it's not there. Go in the document and copy maybe and paste it there. Or maybe the simple way is to copy all this and paste at the end. I don't know. But yes,
Yes.
yeah, just copy the rewrite score and paste on the, you see the rewrite score? The part that is not, that is uncomment.
This
The rewrite header, the third line.
okay.
Yes.
This one.
Yes, that is what will work. It's not, it's uncomment. You can remove yes, that just copy, because that is uncomment and that's
So it's only this line that is uncommented.
no. You will copy all those line who are not comment, because the line comment will just a comment.
Yes.
So you need to copy that one and put it under the rewrite header subject. Go in the terminal. Yes,
The
there.
right header subject.
Put under it, yes, there. Normally that's where you mean that there, yes. Because that is what we have. Rewrite header subject. Can you go in documentation again? Okay, now we have just add an X report. I think we need to copy that one. Report save 0. Yes. No, copy yes, and go in file and locate
Just add the X. Just add.
it's not there.
I can't say it.
Okay. What? Scroll up. Scroll up. Okay. In that case, you have there report safe 1. It's not that place.
Or this one?
I don't know. It's not it.
I think it's, yeah, it is. Report save 0. This one is report save 1.
Okay, what the report save 1 do what? Save spam message as a message mean attachment instead of modifying the original message. Okay, instead of modify. Okay, what you can do, go in the documentation, copy the rest, don't everything don't after the first one. Copy all. Yes, and paste that, yes, and paste that under what you have at. Yes, I think this will be
there, right?
Yes, you can, yes, there. Okay, tap enter. Okay. I think now just make sure that you have not add something on duplicate.
So write header score.
Yes, that's
0. I think.
No, I mean duplicate in the whole file. Just make sure that we don't have something duplicate, because I think if it is duplicate, it will just pick the first one.
No, these are the only lines that are active. These.
Okay.
And yeah, I don't think
Okay.
there's any duplicate here.
You can save the file and start the SpamAssassin. No, not Postfix SpamAssassin. Okay. The status. Okay, it's up now. If you want to test, you need to send a spam message. Okay, go in ChatGPT. You were showing me something.
Mm. I think it was
Emmanuel,
testing.
you can contribute. It's not that you are like you are watching a movie.
It's
This is-
because I'm not really familiar with it yet, so I
Emmanuel, you are
can't.
familiar with this is not Netflix.
Yes, the area that you guys are doing, I have not finished my site, so I have not incorporated the spam assassin, even though I'm using a smaller version in the postfix to check for the headers that I sent information. So that's why I'm looking at the new stuff that you guys are doing.
Okay. Let's try Godric to send a spam mail
Okay.
that
Let me just chat GPT to create a spam mail.
what you know what we can do? Go copy the content of our script down filter and ask to ChatGPT how we can trigger it. You see
It
our
was
yes, the first one, just copy. Just copy the first one, the first step, yes, just copy from there.
from here.
Copy everything, yes. Send him, ask him how we can trigger. You can even copy all. How we
Up
can
to-
make sure, yes. Copy all, yes, until the end, yes, what we have done, and give to ChatGPT. Yes, ask him how we can trigger this script to be make sure that spam assassin is filtering bad email. I am sure that ChatGPT will say thank you because you have information.
This is script to test spam
Yes.
assassin. Spam assassin. It's going to be happy. We have done that.
Yes, we. Okay, what you can simulate postfix piping and email. Okay, it is giving us watch lock in right time. Okay, scroll down. Okay, if you want full test postfix and check. Okay, for spam processing. Okay. We start with what?
I think maybe we start with this one.
Okay, create a YouTube test mail. What is this?
It's like a file, maybe. I don't know. It's
You
from
can simulate. I think let's start first with the second one because with second
yes.
one we point directly to the filter. Let's try with it and see.
They also want the logs in real time. I think I need to.
Yes, you can test. You can check down directly to the log one because we already sent email.
Sorry. So I take this first.
What? Go on the third one.
That one.
The third one, yes. Yes.
In another
But
terminal.
the problem, this one, okay.
The problem is
it's not, because it's like we are testing if anything spam is being mentioned.
yes, but Okay. Go. Okay, you can test the second one. Right, test the second one.
The second one. We run this, but they want us to check in real time in another
No.
terminal. So I need to open another terminal.
No, just you can test them independently.
Okay.
Because what this will do, you see, this will put the thing. I think we need first to have the Gcube.
Oh, this one.
Oh, yes. Create a Gcube. Yes, that one. You cannot create don't like that because you have email there. You have the from there. You need to modify your Gcube file.
Okay, it's already.
Test example that will work.
Yeah, it will. Let me check.
Test arrobas example the from.
Okay, from sorry. Let me see if anything has arrived maybe before I continue.
Nothing will arrive. The from email, check the from email on the script that you have pasted. The from email is not correct.
Yes.
It is test arrobas, you need to put a real email there. I don't know, maybe.
Which one do I use now? Maybe I should just use the root at knowledge hub .org. Root at technology hub.org. And then copy. Don't save. Clear the spaces.
You need first to delete the first file because that have created the file. You will create another file again.
Oh. So I need to delete this one.
What you are doing, the first. Yes, you can type. Maybe that will delete the first one. Just type it down.
Oh, such file.
Because you are not using the same command. I don't know why you have.
YouTube cut. Let me just edit it from my Visual Studio because I was editing directly from ChatGPT. Okay. Just a minute. Root. Copy. So it looks like this. It's going to give us the results down here, maybe. So it's gone. So where do we check now? Is it the inbox? Nothing comes.
No, that will not do nothing. Just tap the second command because this is not sending anything. This is just creating file with random text. Yes.
This one I should also edit.
Yes, make the command go up. And yes, you need to edit them. The first one have just created a file. And the second one, we are just calling the filter. Because what filter need to do is to go and read the file and pick everything there.
That work. Okay. So is this supposed to send an email now? Or
No, that's not sending anywhere. Go again in.
this one now?
Yes, watch that. Yes.
But this was supposed to be in real time in another terminal.
Just check like that. Let's see what we have.
It's
What
just
you can scroll up. You can make this code instead of put the F, you put the N10. You can code this.
okay.
Control code. Yes, make come back the command. Yes, instead of put -F, just put -N10. Hyphen. Just remove the hyphen. You remove 10. Also remove 10.
I removed 10
Yes, and yes, remove the N10.
like that.
Yes, just tap enter.
Nothing.
Nothing about spam. It means that even in write down, we see nothing. It means that nothing have arrived here.
Yeah, there's nothing called spam.
Can we check again? Go again in ChatGPT. Let's see. Tap.
Maybe I should combine this documentation now with the AI and see if I'll be able to get the help.
Okay. We will let you combine two both documentation. Because AI will sit down. Okay. We will let you combine it, and I think we need to follow the step. The only thing that we don't have here in the documentation is how to test if everything is working fine.
Yeah.
I think if you try to focus in documentation, you can maybe focus on testing. You can find the path that can help you to test if everything is working fine.
Yeah.
I think that is the path that we don't have here.
There's an email that came, I don't know at what time.
This one is there.
25. Yeah. There's some headers.
Okay.
Spam flag.
Okay, there are new headers. Okay.
All this was not there. All this X something up to here.
Okay, we have some good news now. Okay, so we have here return path root deliver to admin receive spam check version SpamAssassin. Okay, we have it there. Spam flag, so this mark as spam. Okay, something good.
I don't know at what point did we receive this.
No, this is about the test that you have created with the ChatGPT.
Okay.
When ChatGPT asks you to create the JTube file, can you go again in ChatGPT? The JTube file. Can you scroll up?
Up. Okay.
No, down. Yes, here. I think starting here, because ChatGPT asks you first to make sure that you have the correct right and user, and then ChatGPT asks you to create the YouTube test email file. It's just an email that file, and then ChatGPT asks you to run the spam filter manually.
Yeah.
You run this, and then ChatGPT asks you to watch log in real time. And
Okay.
then ChatGPT said that we should see this in log. But we did not see it in log, but we see that in
in Roundcube.
Yes. Okay. ChatGPT is saying now let's try another method. I think we have now a small down result. Let's see now if you want full test trap postfix instead of manually piping.
This one.
Send the YouTube email from the server. Yes. Try to test this and then check yes the log.
Okay.
Try to see that. Let's check this method. Can just make control cut.
I'll
Okay.
just modify.
Yes. Modify to
Technology. Technology hub.org.
okay. ChatGPT say we can test.
Mm, 31.
Yes, that one.
This one doesn't have those headers because
Try to check
because-
log. ChatGPT say we need to check log.
okay. Check logs, I think, is the log command. This one.
No, log down there. It's and check the log. Yes, that one.
Okay.
Just make
Just-
that or more on it. Can make sudo or even
Okay, let me make sudo. It's going to be a lot.
you can make control cut. Control cut. You can make again cut and make grep and make pipe. You see the
Pipe.
yes, pipe.
Mhm.
The pipe, not the word.
The standing slash.
Standing slash. Okay.
Yes, I make grep spam.
Grep spam
Yes,
like that.
yes. What we have here.
The problem is going to include everything, even the spam D.
Okay, go again in ChatGPT. Go again in ChatGPT. Ask him how more detail about this block.
This one.
You can copy the last one. The last one. No. Yes. No. Copy. No. And check the lock. And check the lock.
And check the log. Okay, this one.
You can start with if you want the full. You can start if you want the full up. No, up. If
Okay.
yes, copy there. Yes, copy there. Okay, ask to ChatGPT how to check this lock. I think you are already tired. You are already tired. So I think we will stop so, and when you will have fresh mind, you will continue.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
You know, when you're talking and you're just trying to solve the problem.
Okay, I think we will stop like that. You are very tired.
Okay, I'll try to actually do a lot of research with now the documentation, but at least I've learned something though.
Yes, I think from now we have some good news because we have received a spam in the email. If you go in Roundcube, yes, if you close, yes, this email that we have the header here. I think what you can do now is to go and copy the test that ChatGPT give you. You see what make us have this result? Can you go in ChatGPT? Because yes, you can Scroll up. I think scroll up. Yes, you can copy maybe all these steps. This can help you.
Yeah.
You can make sure to save it somewhere. I don't know how you will do to save it.
I'll
Because
just keep it here. Then I'll ask ChatGPT that I ran these and these and this and got
yes,
the results.
because you need to be able to reproduce it.
Yeah.
At least this one is working.
Okay.
Okay. We will let you try to continue with that by combining with the documentation. Do you have another thing to add? Anyway, you are very tired now.
Nothing now. I'll just do that. I think even I'll just follow the docs. I'll try at least guide ChatGPT so that it gets the context. Because initially maybe it was trying to do things on its own.
Okay, perfect.
This should provide the context so that yeah, at least.
Okay, perfect. Okay, continue with next person, Kari.
Yes, I will share my screen. So yesterday after the meet, I continued on the training. So I prepared the common core for the new intern, and he wasn't there. So I prepared the document for cloud security for an intern that was asking it. And then I continued on the upsell. And this morning, and I stopped there yesterday. And this morning, I started by documenting the steps we did yesterday with Godric. So it starts from here and all of those. And then I continued on the DKIM part. So I installed OpenDKIM. So I made the documentation here. So made the configuration in OpenDKIM conf and sign table. And then I made the tests. So when I made a test on mail tester, I had like 10 out of 10. But the problem is when I am sending, so I sent this one to the Proton, and I couldn't. Where's the Proton here? I couldn't receive it. Even in the spam, I couldn't receive it. But I sent another one on Gmail, and I could receive it. This was like 1 hour ago. So when I open, show the original here, it is saying that the DKIM pass, the mark, and I don't understand why in Proton I couldn't receive.
Okay, I think for Gmail, the problem is the warm-up. Your IP address is not yet warm up. The warm-up is sending email step by step. So maybe within 1 day, 2 day, few weeks ago, your email will start landing in the email box, because
Okay.
see, the IP address is owned by ICANN and IANA. It means that when we have purchased this IP address, it means that someone have used it before us. Let's imagine that someone have used it and make spam on internet on with it. It means that in Gmail system, maybe they have put this IP address as a spam. It means that maybe Gmail can take maybe 1 week, 2 weeks before they release it to be a good email. So whatever we can do now, if Gmail, if the person who have been using this before us have used it to spam, mean that right now Gmail is seeing this IP address as spam. But the good news is that within 7 days, 1 week, I don't know, Gmail will release it, because to calculate if the IP address is marked will be blacklist or marked as spam, Gmail make calculation every day. Maybe it is gradually, let's say, if and so Gmail will take the activity for the IP address, maybe for the last 20 days or maybe for the last 7 days, and make the calculation. If the score is maybe let's say 20, Gmail will say, okay, this is spam. So it means that the next day, if the IP address do no activity, Gmail will calculate again the score for the last 7 days. It means that Gmail will remove the first day and add the number 8 day to have something on 7, and that will decrease the spam and so on and so on. That is a mobile mean. Call that mobile mean. You know what mobile mean?
No, no, I don't know.
Can we type in Google there what is mobile means?
Mobile. How to write it? Mobile.
Try to type in French, moyen mobile.
Moyen mobile.
Moyenne mobile.
Okay. This one.
Yes, that one. Type that in English now. Yes, moving average. Exactly. The purpose of moving average. You see,
Okay.
Gmail
Yeah.
will take the last 7 days. We take the last 7 days to make the calculation of your activity, or maybe the first day. It will give you the score for the first day, because if you start with new IP, the first day you hit 100 email, Gmail will say, okay, you have a bad score because it's not normal for IP address to send 100 email. The second day, your activity, and those last 7 days, he will calculate the score. And if your score is higher than maybe a certain score, let's say maybe 80%, Gmail will say, okay, this IP address, I will blacklist it. Let's say now the number 8 day, you do nothing as activity, it means that your score will be 0. It means that when Gmail will calculate from the second day to the 8th day, that will make 7. But the fact that the number 8 day is 0, that will decrease your score. And if the 9th day you do no activity, Gmail will calculate again from the 3rd day to 9th day, and so on until your score go down, and then Gmail release your IP and mark it as boot IP address. I think that is the why in Gmail you are landing in spam. And for Proton, I think it is maybe something about configuration.
Yes.
In spam about with Proton.
I didn't receive even in spam. Yeah, even
When
in
last
spam.
did you
This was
test the Proton?
yesterday. I didn't. This was yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I see something like if you just go back to the list of all your emails. Oh, okay.
Can you try to send from Proton to your email?
I can't receive yet on Roundcube. I will work on it yet. But
yes, so right now what you are doing is only you are able to send, but you are not able to receive.
Yes, that's it.
It means that there is something wrong there. Your incoming is not working, and that is normal that you Proton is not receiving your email, because most ISP, they have the ping pong. You see, it's that when you are trying to connect with the SSH, there is around how many ping pong do we have, Emmanuel?
What are you saying?
When we are connecting from IP address to another IP address, how many ping pong do we have?
It's been like 5 times before
Exactly.
it times out.
Yes, because the initiating the IP address, we first send the ping. The IP address that you are trying to connect to, we send the pong, and then the initiating IP address, we send another ping. So if your ISP is not able to receive the email, it means that when Proton we send the pong, your IP address, your mail sender will not able to receive to the ping. And I think that is where ProtonMail is confusing.
Oh, okay.
Because
And
before Proton receive your email, there is a lot of ping pong between your server and the server from ProtonMail. And maybe when ProtonMail is trying to send you the pong, I am saying ping pong, but in terms of email, maybe it's not the same exactly. So you need to make sure that you are able to send and receive. I think that is the main problem.
Yes. And that is my next step.
Yes, and any email system, they have their own rule, they have their specific setup. So the filtering rule that you have from Gmail is not the same from, it's not exactly the same from Proton, it's not exactly done the same from any other system. So I think you need to make sure that you are able to send and receive.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I think the problem here is inside the postfix configuration part. The
It's the user where the emails are being delivered. They're probably being delivered in a wrong folder that is not pointing to Roundcube.
yes, maybe.
Mhm.
Okay, so your next step, make sure that you are able to send and receive.
Yes, that is my next step.
Okay, perfect. Okay, do you have another thing to add?
No, that's all for now.
Okay. Let's continue with Emmanuel.
Yeah. So I'm working on so I'm working on this. I did this just this morning when I ran my Ansible. It gave me 9, but I realized that there are in SpamAssassin. It's called 0.8, in which I have to fix the missing header.
Okay, just not to be confused. SpamAssassin that we have here is the SpamAssassin used by mail tester, not used by our system, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Because
so because I've not installed SpamAssassin yet on my machine. Okay, so I have to fix it. So I have to fix it by always adding it here and adding it inside my main.cf file, my configuration file. When I for the postfix, when I run it, then it will handle that one. So this is it. This is how I did it.
what just one question. This was your next step because it seemed like yesterday you have finished with send from terminal to terminal. And
Yes,
what
yes.
was your next step? Yesterday.
So from terminal to terminal, I have to fix the DKIM. I had the signing issue. I am using a Unix approach.
No,
Not the
when we have closed meeting yesterday, you said that you will fix something. I don't remember.
yes. So this was what I have to fix. This one, the open DKIM to handle the socket connection.
Okay. But there was 3 things that you said that you will fix.
Yes. Then the SSL and the vault.
Okay, the vault, yes. You did not finish with the encryption with vault. And the SSL certificate, the auto renewal. Yes, I remember.
Auto renewal, yes.
And then you said that you have again another minor fix.
DKIM, that is the open DKIM.
Okay. And did you finish all those 3 things? The vault, the auto renewal the auto renewal certificate, and
the auto renewal certificate, that one had been sorted out, but it's left with I'm troubleshooting where I've highlighted. I can use INET localhost 8891. It will work. It will add the sign-in to it. But when you use Ansible to run, it breaks. So that's the reason why I'm using the Unix command. So I am trying to find a way to put this Unix command inside the this and to match with the OpenDKIM configuration. So that is where I've got into.
Okay.
So that when I run my Ansible once, it installs everything and everything is 100% done.
Okay.
So
Wait.
when I was okay.
About the Vault, did you show us how you have made the encryption?
Oh, the Vault is just a command that I will just run to encrypt it.
Okay. So now, right now, you have not finished with the encryption. You did not run that command.
Yes, because I wanted to fix one or two issues first before I ran that one.
Okay.
Okay. So when I look at the mail tester's results, I realize that header is missing from the when I run a command, header is missing. So I have to look into my main configuration and sort it out so that I'll have it intact. So this is how I fix it. Always add a header, put a header, yes, put it the message header format, and this, yes. So that one had been resolved, and so it's left with this one that I have to fix it. Then the signing will be perfected. That's the only one that is left here. That's it.
Okay,
So
they sign you with the DKIM.
yes.
And
Yes.
in Gmail, what do you have in Gmail? Can we
Okay,
check?
so when I send a mail, let me try and run one from my. Now I can even run it from my local terminal through remote terminal to hit Gmail.
Okay.
So this is it, the local terminal.
Okay. Okay, you are running from local terminal to hit Gmail,
Yes.
but you are passing from the remote.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so this is it. Let me say header fix. Right now, let's check the time, 11:53. So I'll just enter my remote password, then I'll be able to.
Your remote password is public. I say yes last time that you need to make sure to not put it in
Yes.
public.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. So I keep on changing it. So this is Gmail. It just came 11 this time. So header, I'm fixing it. So this is the one that just came. Yeah. So the SSL is fixed there, and it is using IP6.
Yes.
It changes randomly. So it's left with the DKIM signing, then everything is fine.
Okay. Right now you don't have the DKIM.
Yes. So that is what I am fixing. I don't want to use the inet.localhost 88. The port of DKIM is 8891. I want to get a socket that when you run it on a Linux command, that is open for DKIM to work well. Even though DKIM is active, it's working, but it is not, Postfix is not able to access it. So that is the reason I have to fix that one. Yeah, so yes, so that is why I am working on that. So when
Yes.
I'm done, yeah.
Okay. But what it seems like your DKIM is you are using a socket, not a DKIM like we used to.
Yes, yes, I'm not using the port, the local host port. No, I'm using a socket that DKIM himself opens to communicate. So I want Postfix to be able to identify that socket. Then it becomes permanent.
Yes, but what is the benefit for you or for
Yes,
the
yeah,
company to use the OpenDKIM socket instead of generating done directly on local computer?
yes. So when you are using the socket, when Postfix is able to access the socket of DKIM, it means it will not break. Because when you are using port 8891 and you are maybe a particular application tool is running on that port, there's going to be a collision. So that's the benefit there.
That means that you have a server that have a lot of application.
That is it. That is it. And that one too. And when you're able to do it with the socket, it means you can run it on different servers without you won't do any configuration on it. You won't work on it because it speaks to the socket direct.
Okay. And Godric, what is your opinion about this?
Yeah, I think it's a good thing, though my setup is using the port.
The local host port 8891.
Yeah, 8891.
Yes.
So I just make sure there's no any other application that is using that port so that there's no conflict.
Okay.
But now if
So
there
in
is any
case
other,
you are not there, let's put it in this way. Let's say in case you are not there and someone wants to run it and the person doesn't understand, the person is not having the documentation of your codes, then they will be running into trouble with the ports.
Okay. Karina, your opinion about this?
Yeah, I think it's the first time I heard about it because I use a pseudo port. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Okay. Okay. Having multiple way how to generate the OpenDKIM can be a good thing in case you are facing challenging with maybe the local part, the local one where we use port. Maybe just using the socket can be an alternative solution.
yes.
Okay, Manuel, and what is your next step?
So I'll finish it, then I can now install, then do the FBL or install the Roundcube. Yeah.
Okay, and the SpamAssassin.
Yeah, so I've started even working on the SpamAssassin here, but even though I've not
This
installed
is
it,
not your SpamAssassin. This is not your.
yes, I need to meet the requirement here, the missing header and other stuff, so that when when I install it, it becomes simple.
Yes,
But I saw the integration that Godric did. So if you can share the link, the link on the common platform, so that I think that would be helpful.
okay, Godi, you can add the link of the documentation.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
I don't know, in your case, maybe you can use the complex because what we used with Godi was SpamAssassin after filter, right, Godi?
Yes.
This is
Yeah.
SpamAssassin after filter. But maybe,
Yes.
Emmanuel, in your case, you can use the SpamAssassin before filter, the complex one.
That is what I'm going to do. No, that is what I've planned to do as at Friday. That and the SpamAssassin handles outgoing emails and incoming emails, but mine will be targeting the outgoing emails.
No, here we have after the filter, because in the documentation of SpamAssassin, we have around four case, right, on Godic. We have the filter, before filter, we have another one. So depending on your system, you need to choose the best one that fit for you.
Okay.
You need to choose the best one that fit for you. Okay. Open a tab there on Google. I think you did not really understood what I did with Kodik.
Okay.
Just tap SpamAssassin. Let's go in the documentation.
I've even shared it in the chat.
Yes, the documentation that you shared on Godik is specific to your case.
Okay.
No, not this documentation. Go on Google. Go on Google.
I've shared.
Emmanuel, open a tab. Yes, Godi, you
Okay,
share.
I'm opening it.
I've shared everything, sir. Not like my specific case. I've shared the one.
But relax. Let me go there, please.
Okay.
Let's. Okay, click on that thing. Yes. Okay, here. You need first to read the welcome, because this is not like React or new software. This is old software. In this kind of old software, you need to read everything, because sometimes critical information, they are not well formatted, so they are written in a small capital letter. You see, that is the problem of old software. They don't have a good documentation. So this is not like React or Node.js, where you have a good documentation, even like Java. So first of all, you need to read the welcome. Most of them, even me, I don't like to read the welcome. So when you read this welcome, you will see, click here to get start. Click on there, click there. Yes, you need to click there. You see, it's very small. Yes, go there now. That's where you need to go. Now you need to check your case. To check your case, it means that you need to read this. Where is your case there? Can you locate your case? If you don't read everything, okay, that's your case. Okay. You need to click there now. Okay, now you need to read again thing and choose which one you want to use and why you need to use it.
Okay.
Our case is not send mail. We are not. Scroll down. We are with Postfix. Okay, that is no, scroll up a bit. Postfix. Yes, that is our case. Postfix. Now we have looked at that because you are using MTA, a postfix like MTA. Which one will we use now? The after queue, the before queue, the clam AV?
No, yeah, I'll use before queue.
You say?
I'll use before queue. Before
Why?
queue.
Why you want to use before queue?
Yes, so I think that one is more robust and effective solution to handle more complex stuff.
You click on it because for the case for the code. Wait. You will not click there. It means that you are not reading it. If you don't read, you will click on the wrong place. You need to click integrate spam with. No, not there. You are not reading.
Number three.
Number 3.
Yes. First link
This is
in
not
point
that
3.
it's where you send to GPT. Oh,
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
yes,
There.
that is where you. If you don't click there, you will have
Yes, so that was where I was clicking this.
No, it's not the same. If you click on before queue, you will not have the same documentation. Okay, try to close this. Try to close this. Go and click on where you were trying to click on before queue. Yes. You will not have what you are looking there. You will have information about before, you see. This is what you will have, but this will not show you how to install everything. Yes, this is where you need to click now because you choose the complex one. This is complex. And if you check, you see here, it is similar. You have step by step here. So if you want to use complex, this is the documentation that you will follow.
Okay.
And if you want to use ChatGPT, you need to be able to copy a lot of things here to give that to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT will learn from this before ChatGPT start trying to help you. Right,
But I think I've done
Yes.
almost everything here. Just side, I have it on what I'm working on. Yeah.
But if you have done everything here and you did not install SpamAssassin, did you install SpamAssassin?
No, I've not installed SpamAssassin.
Yes, but if you have done a lot of things there without SpamAssassin, it means you have done nothing.
So I have spam D, but with spam C, it is for when you install SpamAssassin. That is when it will come. So I think I have worked on it. So I will just look at it and see how it fits my master configuration.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've done it. I've done a lot. I've done this spam D. Yeah.
Yes, that
So I've
is
done
because this is the default configuration of Postfix. Just have
No,
not
this is my
with
own
spam.
that I run on Ansible. This is what I run on Ansible to generate all that I need.
I am not saying no. This is you are right, but here if you don't add parameter about SpamAssassin, this file will be
Yes,
like you don't have SpamAssassin. So
you are right.
the fact that you have made a lot of configuration in this file does not mean that you have set up SpamAssassin,
No,
because
no, 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 no.
you need to install it and come in this file and add some conf about SpamAssassin in this file.
Yes.
So you can work on this file even 20 days, a lot of time, but without working on SpamAssassin.
Yeah. You are
Okay,
right.
okay. Perfect. Do you have any? So your next step is to finish with the OpenDKIM socket and then
Yes.
finish with
Then,
the
then, then when I'm done, I will do the vote. Then when vote is done, I can now incorporate this into my spam assassin stuff.
no, you first finish with the FBL and Roundcube.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
The FBL and Roundcube, because SpamAssassin is a way to automate the FBL non-detection.
Okay.
Okay, do you have anything else to add?
No, really. No, really.
Okay. Godrigu, anything to add?
Even me, I don't have anything to add now.
Okay, and you, Karin?
I don't have to.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice day. See you on Monday. Goodbye.
Sure. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. See you on Monday.